There we go. So, did you guys get some new things out of class last night? I hope. I wonder. I think we went over some stuff we never went over before. Gotta get rid of this space here. Okay, because I want to watch the market very carefully today. We could possibly have some panic drops today, possibly. Wayne, it was recorded, but it'll be cut up and then put into the market mastery classes, like the parts that were good about it. AMD. Oh, yeah, tech stocks aren't going to do too good over a while. Which expiration? 625. Very hard to say. All right, we're going to go over what's hot this morning, and then maybe we'll go over that kind of stuff in a little bit. David says, yes, at least I know I have to get some time to open more platforms. I already have E-Trade and Webull. What others do you guys recommend to open? So TD Ameritrade, Robinhood. Robinhood will work for you, you know. So there's two more right there. And I don't know. Right now, one's not coming to mind, but there are definitely some good ones out there. Maybe crypto.com. That way you can also have access to crypto. You won't be able to trade like every stock on crypto.com, but all right. So this morning, what we have on the pre-market radar is, wow, this stock UTME fell so much yesterday that this morning, it being up just a tiny bit, is showing up as being up like 20%. Like that, yeah, that's not good. We want to see stuff that's going up. U-Time Limited, and it looks like a newly listed stock back in February. Yeah, you want to aim for financial for sure. XLF and for sure industrials, yes, XLI, but also commodities and base materials. I really like the copper play, so FCX for Freeport McMoran, or JJC, which is the copper index. Yeah, man. Okay, let's see what else is on the stock market horizon here on the market chameleon. All right, there's very little popping because the market is down. So the wind is at our in front of us. It's not, we don't have a tailwind, a wind at our backs. So that makes it more difficult to get follow through trades for the upside. So today, maybe a day where we trade mostly downside. So we'll see how that goes. So far, there's lots of stuff down, and not that much up. And then what is up? These two, Kai and Sykes, they look both like acquisitions. Like this one, Sykes was trading at 41, and now it's just locked at 55.6 because probably I got a acquisition offer for 57. News. Cital Group enters into agreement to acquire Sykes. So there you go. So Sykes is like off the radar. That's a no-go. And then this other one, CAI. Did I see Nvidia yesterday? Dude, we traded Nvidia yesterday. Yeah, we definitely saw it. We made good money on Nvidia yesterday. Really good money. CAI. International cashes out with sale to owner sale. So, same thing, acquisition, CAI. So we don't trade acquisitions. And then ORPH is down a lot this morning. It's just kind of like flailing around. It's like dead cat bouncing is what they call it. So, there's not really a good trade there on ORPH until it kind of settles in a little bit. Maybe today's the day it settles in. So we'll keep it on the radar, and we'll grab any kind of breakouts we can see on it. On what, Derek? FDA drug failed on. Okay. So so then why did it pop like 5 days ago? Was that what do you want to say? Fraud? If it was, then ORF is really going to be going down, huh? Because they're going to get a class action case. All right, so we have ORF and ATHA. ATHA, ATHA down here. Okay, that looks really bad, which is great. Like, we're going to try and take it short. Let's see what it says. Temporary leave. CEO. Okay, Athira's CEO placed on temporary leave. Orphazyme falters at the FDA, and Athira's CEO placed on temporary leave. All right, so ATHA is about to crash and burn. So we'll be shorting that. Going to open at 10. Wow, it's going to open the lowest it's ever been. It's even off the charts on my screen here. Wow, what a drop. All right, so that made Dead Cat bounce, actually. So we'll watch what happens with ATHA. Adobe beat Q2 earnings and revenue. Okay, that's great, but what's the reaction? Let's see. Any? So it was at 551 yesterday, popped to 570, so about 20 points in after hours. Went all the way up to 572 this morning, and is now settling at about 568. So it's a little bit of action there, but we're just not going to get the follow through if the market goes red on us today. So, but we'll keep that up there, and we'll keep it on watch. All right. Also, in most actives up, we have GERN, GERN, on 9 million shares traded. That has something to do. Orphazyme. Okay. Orphazyme, ORPH, is the one that where the CEO has been put on temporary leave. Orphazyme, ORPH. Hey, Emmanuel. Yeah, it's been about a week or something. I haven't seen you for a few days. The ABCD pattern, Chris, typically works intraday and sets up during the day, and it activates at the end of the day or in after hours or through after hours in pre-market. So yeah, if we're looking at it now to see if it's forming some kind of ABCD, it's too late now, I would say. All right, now let's sort by market cap. Hello, everybody on TikTok. Go ahead and click the link in my bio if you'd like to join our trading room. Today, you can pick up a 7-day free pass and start live trading with us when the market opens in 20 minutes. We'll be on this TikTok for 20 more minutes, and then we'll be live trading in my trading room. ETIX AMC. We'll pull up AMC on there. AMC is trying to inch its way for a breakout of 65. That's where I'd be interested in AMC. I know, John. Yeah, it could be. All right, now sorted by market cap. Yeah, we've got Adobe up 2.7%, which is not that much, but Edu is up 5.1%, a bit more. But it only amounts to a 40-cent gain. But that looks like, let's pull that up, on almost 1 million shares of trading. New Oriental Education and Technology Group, Edu, EDU. Okay, it's only up a little bit from 7.6 to 8.2 and pushing into a congestion area. All right, then following that, we've got EBR with only 17,000 shares traded, and yet it's up almost 8%. Let's see. Yeah, that's just not enough volume traded. Okay, and then CVAC, 200,000 shares traded and up 10%. And CVAC, all right. Oh, that looks a lot better. So it closed at 56 and it hit 66. Pre-market settled into about 64 right now. So CVAC looking rather good. Let's take a look at the daily chart on that. Okay, so it's basically coming off of a huge drop, and it's just daily. It's going to try and creep up and try and fill some of that gap. This is the dead cat bounce movement. It'll start to have resistance around 76. So at most, we get 10 points out of this today on CVAC. So we'll be looking for a low risk in order to get in. All right, I'll keep that up on the radar here. Marvel, yeah, that's a good question. So if I didn't see you in class last night, were you in class? If AMC breaks 65, what are the price targets? Well, certainly new all-time high or 52-week high, whatever it is, of 72, 73 would be one, and you'd take off a little bit there. But I think even more importantly is we've got to figure out how to get in at a low risk so that even if it goes up a couple bucks, it'll be worth the risk. CVAC is CVAC. Yep, Bitcoin's hitting that 37,000 level I mentioned. Probably going to bounce from here. DraftKings. Looking pretty bearish still on DraftKings. All right, moving down to big cap still. Up 30%. Yeah, we've got that psych for 1.6 billion market cap. 5% SWBI with only 45,000 shares traded SWBI. We've got 15 minutes until the market opens. And SWBI. Okay, so SWBI closed down to 19.9 yesterday, but it's back up to hitting the 21s. Let me take a look at the chart on that. Yeah, that's not going to really work out, so we'll take that off of our radar. And ANPC, you said, cancer treatment patent approval. Let's see. Yeah, that's way up. Way up. ANPC, yeah, that's the second one. Why don't I have that up here? Okay, let's put that up. ANPC. I meant to look at that. And Jern and EDSA. EDSA. Oh, I see. Okay, so ANPC went from 4.34 pop to 5.87 this morning. It has settled in to about 5, and it's still a little bit bearish. It's been kind of bearish throughout that, but if it can make it back up over 5.7, that could be a potential trade. What I worry though about is that it has a very wide bid-ask spreads. Hopefully that'll tighten up during the market. Let's see. I'm going to refresh the market chameleon. Let's see what we got. All right. Did I see Deer reverse midday yesterday, and bottom at 321.90? I sold right before it. Pretty great feeling. Yeah, man. Well, good job. What's up, Cenote? Same what? You guys played Deer like that? Nice. All right, ANPC we'll have on watch. That one could happen. UTME, we'd like to see it break 20.4, and maybe that will be a trade. CVAC, we're looking for a breakout of 66.5. Adobe, I'll be watching out of the corner of my eye for a 5-minute dip buy in case the market turns green. And GME, and GME is not showing really much activity at all, guys. I'm really surprised actually because it's GME, but everybody's over on AMC. I'd have to say it's about 100-to-1 differential. It's not even like 10-to-1 or 5-to-1. Like 101 more popular AMC this morning than GME. But even at that, GME AMC is going to have to get up to 65 and break out. All right, I'm going to refresh the market chameleon. We've got 10 minutes to the market open. No, don't hold. Yeah, I don't hold AMC. No, we day trade AMC whenever it gets crazy. All right, let's see if there's anything new on the market chameleon. Not really. All right, and then downside, not really too bad either. Maybe Moxie, Moxc. Yeah, Moxie is having a bad morning, so that may bleed out all day. We'll see. Yeah, for SPY puts, Willem, we'd do that if it could break the low of the day, which currently is about 417. So be watching for that 417 level on SPY in order to go grab SPY puts. And remember, we only do the panic play for $1 a drop time, so we'd get out at 416 if we get in at 417. All right, we got 9 minutes and 30 seconds to the open. Everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio. Come over to my trading group. You can trade with us live today. Just grab a 7-day pass, and then you can trade with us live. It's free. Um, ANPC, Utme, Gurn, Eds, you, Eleni. All right, well, let's just get watching on this. This looks like all we've got so far this morning from big caps and micro caps. There it goes. Good morning, Angel. No, I'm looking at these, but I just might choose not to look at what you want me to look at because there's no reason to. Okay. Like we're looking at stuff that might be up a lot or down a lot or have some significant reason to look at it. Should you sell or hold CCIV? I think I'm pretty bearish on CCIV. Let me see. Well, CCIV actually recently bottom reversed, so you should probably hold CCIV. Down 58 or 55 on AMC. If you have profit, take it before you lose. Yeah. For ANPC, yeah, we're looking for 5.7. Yeah. Good job. On a weekend, do I struggle to sleep in? No. You mean like, is it hard for me to get the sleep I need on the weekend? Is it hard for me to catch up on the sleep I need on the weekend? No. I'm pretty much like a sloth on the weekend, except if we're doing something interesting with the family. In my profile, you got to click my name there, Chart Trader. You got to click my icon, the little circle, and then you click it again. That brings over my profile page with all my TikTok videos and everything. And then you click the link there, right in the middle in my bio. You click it, and that will bring you over to our trading group. And then you just got to pick up. You have about 6 minutes to pick up a 7-day free pass, and then you can trade with us for next 7 days. In fact, you can trade with us live this morning. Oh, like yeah, no, I don't have that problem like the circadian rhythm stuff. No, I can sleep anytime, anywhere, under any condition, at any moment, no problem whatsoever. Circadian rhythm. I think it's CARCA something. Circadian rhythm. But yeah, Faraz, yeah, you should look into that. Like, do a little more sleep research. Ooh, SPY is starting to push down hard right now. It may break the 417 level that we were hoping to short with puts before the market even opens. See, Is Doge looking for a jump up? Thank you, electrician. What's the benefit of looking into my classes? Um, well, I mean, there's just so many things that you can learn from that, and probably especially the most important, which is all the risk management stuff, because uh, nobody really understands in the beginning how many shares they need to buy, um, how much risk they're putting their account at, and soon enough they've got $0 left, and they ruined their entire account. And so I think that you could benefit a lot from a lot of the risk management stuff, but you could learn about options, different day trading strategies, different swing trading strategies. So that's uh, strategies for uh, multi-week investing. There you go. Art says you learn how to trade instead of gamble. I didn't want to say it, but yeah, exactly. I don't want to be calling people gamblers, but in the beginning, the stock market trading for people highly, highly, highly resembles gambling. But after a while, you can learn methods which make it not gambling at all, and make it just smart, quick investing, if you will. Oh, nice, Vanessa. It probably amazing. Like we should do like intake videos, and then like like on Gordon Ramsay shows, 3 months later. You know, uh, it's amazing. I think hopefully the difference if you stick with us. The difference. I mean, Vanessa, like, do you think that you'd still have the money you have if you were the way you were before you came to us? Wow. She says hard no. Yeah, thank God. So electrician, there you go. Yeah. Uh, we got 3 minutes in the market open, guys, and we've got a bunch of opportunities up here on my screen. We'll see which one really does it when the market opens. We got 2 minutes and 55 seconds. The TikTok, I'll be having to close that down when the market opens. So you guys over on TikTok right now, just click the link in my bio, and that'll take you into my trading room, and you can come and live trade with us this morning. Just get the 7-day free pass. This is actually live. It is not pre-recorded. But I say that every 3 minutes. So in case somebody asks, is this live or pre-recorded? You'll be like, oh, okay. What did I say about Doge? Almost all crypto follows Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin's kind of doing a pullback in a downtrend, which means we're going up. But don't be fooled. Pretty soon, Bitcoin will go down again, and that's going to pull Doge down as well. So those are the moments in which you want to buy when they hit bottom. But right now, you'd probably want to be selling your crypto as it appreciates, because we are in a bearish crypto market. I do stay on TikTok on Wednesdays, but just not on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's a much better trading experience if you click the link in my bio and come to our Zoom in our trading room. You can see my full screen. We can talk to each other without lag or delay, and we can be on top of these market opportunities. We have UTME up in case any kind of good dead cat bounce comes out of it, but by God, what a drop. So the names of the opportunities right now are that we're watching carefully. Obviously, we're going to keep watching AMC and GME every day, but CVAC, and Moxie for downside. We've got ANPC, and ORPH and UTME had huge drops overnight, so maybe we'll get a dead cat bounce out of those. Boom. They call it a dead cat bounce because, like, if you were to throw a dead cat off the top of a building, even if it hits the ground and it's dead, it still bounces. So they're trying to say, like, even when a company is total shit, you can still make money off of it because it will tend to come up off of the bottom. So not the greatest analogy, but that's what they did. All right, here we go. Market is opening. Click the link in my bio, and I'll see you in a few minutes in the room. Okay, the market is open, and SPY is breaking down at that 417 level. If we can hit 416.93, guys, 416.93, we'll take SPY puts, and we'll only be in there for $1. So be watching that really careful. We did not hit it. We're 3 cents away, but when it does, grab it and don't be late. Have it all ready right now. Get your options orders already ready to go.